Today, I'll show you how to create Microsoft Planner templates. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open Planner from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, it is important to understand that Microsoft Planner does not always have a simple Save as Template button for every account, but you can still create a reusable template by making a plan that you copy whenever you need it. Start by creating a new plan. Give it a clear name, such as Project Template, Marketing Plan Template, Weekly Task Template, or Client Onboarding Template. Once the plan opens, set up the buckets you want to reuse. Buckets are the columns in your planner board. For example, you can create buckets like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. For a project template, you might use buckets like Planning, Design, Content, Approval, and Launch. Next, add the tasks you want in the template. Click Add Task, then type the task name. For example, you can add tasks like Create Project Brief, Assign Team Members, Prepare Timeline, Review Files, and Send Final Update. Open each task and add more details if needed. You can add a checklist, notes, due date placeholders, labels, attachments, and priority levels. Try to keep the template general so it can work for many future projects. For example, instead of writing a specific client name, write something like Add Client Name Here. You can also use labels to color code your template. For example, use one label for urgent tasks, one for approvals, one for design work, and one for admin tasks. Once your template plan is ready, leave it as your master copy. Do not use this plan for real work. Keep it clean so you can copy it again later. When you need to use the template, open the template plan. Click the three dots or more options near the plan name. Choose Copy Plan, if that option is available. Give the copied plan a new name, such as the real project name. Then choose the group where you want the new plan to be created. After copying, open the new plan and update the details. Change the task names, assign people, add real due dates, and upload any needed files. If you do not see the copy plan option, you can manually duplicate the structure by creating a new plan and copying the same buckets and tasks. So, to keep it simple, create one clean planner board with reusable buckets, tasks, checklists, and labels. Keep it as your master template, then copy it whenever you need a new project plan. And that's how you create Microsoft Planner templates. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.